Good morning, everyone. Today is 5th of July 2024, and time now is around 8 a.m. So, what might happen today? Today is Sensex Expiry. So, if you are an expiry day trader, or if you want to know what our trading plan is today for Sensex, so this is what we are going to do. So, we have a very strong belief that. Sensex, if you see the before going into the chart, if you see the US futures and Gift Nifty is showing a slight gap down, right? I wouldn't say it is going to gap down on a big level, but it is going to significant. It is going to be a small gap down. So if you see here, Gift Nifty is showing negative 18 points. It might not gap down much. It is going to be a flat opening, right? So if you see yesterday's chart, this is yesterday's chart, and if you can see here, Sensex closed exactly at 80,000. So 80,000 is a very strong support. 80,000 is a very strong support, immediate support. Now let us assume if Sensex is gapping down, what might happen? Maximum it will go to 79,800 levels, and we might see a retracement back to around 80,000 levels. So whole day long this is what is going to happen. So in terms of news, there are lots of I wouldn't say negative news. There are lots of things happening in terms of HDFC. So if you see HDFC ADR is trading negative because they came out with a very some quarterly numbers. So that might be one reason HDFC bank might be dragging. And HDFC is having heavy weightage, is having significant weightage in Nifty and Banknifty, and for that matter even Sensex also, right? So for now what we believe is we are going to consolidate between this level, which is around support is 80,000. Sorry, yeah, first support is around 80,000. Let me refresh this. So there was some issues in our system. So first support is at around 80,000. So market might open at 80,000. So second support is at around 79,800. So mark my words, this is what is going to happen in terms of Nifty, in terms of Sensex, sorry, right? And if the market, if there is any positive news, and if the market wants to go on the higher side, it might go till 80,400, which is yesterday's high. So these are the numbers you have to remember. Gift Nifty might help, might open flat, and this is the main reason. And there are various other news also in terms of market. So if you are not with our Telegram group, we post Telegram details, market insight on a daily basis. So you can see that here. I will leave the link in the description below. You can join. And there is Sensex and Nifty are expected to open negative despite of recent gain. Asian markets are mostly up. Nikkei topics are at all-time high. Uh, US market is closed for Independence Day, and future trading flat. So we might not see much of movement in US market, US futures, and all kind of news, all news we are putting here. So we are going to have a flat day. One good thing about today's market is that since US futures are closed and US market is closed, we might see a sideways market or sideways movement in the market, right? So that's a very good positive news if you are an option seller, because last 2 weeks what happened is that markets were too agile and too volatile. If you see Sensex last week, it was making two-way, three-way move in spite of India VIX being very low, right? So we expect India VIX to come on the downside. I wouldn't say there is not going to be any uh, two-way three-way movements. There is going to be two-way three-way moves, but it is going to be less volatile than what it used to be for the last 2 years. So if you are a trader, you know what happened to Sensex. It was making two-way three-way move, lots of volatility in spite of India VIX being below 15. So that is one case scenario you will have to remember. So we'll see how things pan out. For now, we believe that this is the range which is going to be on the higher side. Sensex 80,300 or 80,400 levels, and 80,000 is the first support, and second support is around 79,800. Now if 79,000 is also, let's assume, hypothetically speaking, let's assume if there is a really negative news and the market is coming down, we are having the third support at around 79,500 level. So 79,500, let me show you very clearly. 79,500 is the third support. So why we are saying all this is because gift nifty is showing bearish sign, and that's why we are mostly talking about support. If 79,800 is also taken, we are likely to go till between 79,000 to 79,600, 100. So that is the high supply zone. So if the market at all for one or other reason reaches 79,500, we will retrace to around 79,000. Let me show you 79,800, right? So you need not worry, trade your plans accordingly. So we might see if the market opens somewhere around 80,000, we might see 79,800, and we will see a retracement. And if this 80,000 is taken out, we might see 80,400, or if it is not taking out, we might see 79,500, right? So we don't see much of a high upper side, we are seeing downside. So make your trades according to this plan, make your straddles or strangles so that it is between these levels, right? So follow us for more content, so that you get an idea of what we are doing. You can follow us on Twitter also. You can join our Telegram group. As I told you, we will leave the link in the description below. There are lots of things people discuss in our Telegram group, so on and so forth. So that's what this HDFC news also I got from one of our members only. So you can join our Telegram group, for which the link is on the description below, right? So this is the first day of our Sensex trade plan. So I will see you in tomorrow's video. We'll try to post daily video on a daily basis. So take care, happy trading, and I'm sure you will make good profit. Bye.